crane. So one of these. This is just on a special paper. So using a normal piece of paper will not epically morph into this paper. So crane, we got a crane. First, if you want the color to be on the outside, then you're gonna have the colored side up. And then, so then you're gonna unfold it in half from point to point. So you're gonna take one corner, pull it along to the other corner.
Now I noticed that this is a square piece of paper.
Yes,
so
it has to be
square.
square.
Special origami paper is all square usually?
Yes.
And if you don't have that, you can always take a normal piece of paper and cut off a little bit to make it square.
By the way, if you already know how to make a diamond, you do not have to follow how I do it. So you just have to make a diamond, and this is how I make a diamond. So first I fold it in half, then I'm gonna take this point and fold it over. So you're gonna take the point that already has a crease. Then you're gonna fold it. Then get that nice tight fold, and then you're gonna unfold everything. So then you should have like a plus. Then you're gonna flip it over, poke it in the center, and you're gonna fold this top edge down to the bottom edge.
I see. So now we've got sort of triangular folds on each side, and now you're folding it in half.
So then you should have it. By the way, I did flip. Oh, okay. So then here's how you get the diamond. So then you can put your fingers inside it, kind of like that, about that much. Then you're gonna try to make sure everything's kind of popped out. And you're gonna start to push on it. So you're gonna push on it. And if you do it correctly, you should end up getting a diamond. So, diamond, boom. Here we go, got a diamond.
Diamond shape. I see what you got.
So get all those creases tight. And then, so now the next step is, you need to see how this side opens right here? The other one doesn't. You need to make sure that that your ice cream folding or kite folding to the open side, so the open side. So you're gonna take this point and you're gonna kind of drag it right there, and you're gonna try to pull over the whole edge. So
There
then you should
so
have
you just
this.
fold it to the center. I gotcha.
So you're gonna fold it to the center crease.
And you call that the ice cream fold?
Yeah, it's
Because if you fold the other one, it kind of looks like an ice cream cone?
Yeah, and
I getcha.
Okay, so then you're gonna go and squash fold this, and here's how you do that. You're gonna go and open this up. You're gonna put your finger in it, and you're gonna pull it over. So then you should get this.
Okay.
So then you're gonna pull up. So then you're gonna get the side up a little bit. You're gonna open the bottom, and you're gonna kind of pull it in. So then you need to pull it in. It's okay if this is not straight, because there is a way to fix that. So then you should do this. And by the way, you're trying to pull it in along the ice cream fold, or the kite fold. So I kite folded, trying to tuck it in along that. So then you're gonna do that on every single one. It does not matter how you do it. This is just how I do it, but you need to tuck it in. So here I am on the second one. By the way, I've been trying to teach a lot of people, and they seem to struggle the most on this step. So it's okay if this is hard. This has been hard, and it was even hard for me when I started. So do that. Then you're gonna have to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. It's okay to pause the video if you need to spend some time on this. So this side is complete. And this side is done. So, okay. So once you tuck all of them in, you should have a shape like this, okay? So then, since you have the open side down, you're able to open it up. So you're gonna go and take this point, and you're gonna open it up. And these do not match, so like, because you're trying to get the least amount of white as possible here. So here's how you fix it if you didn't get a straight one, which is why I said it's okay if it's not straight. So there's gonna be a little flap here. You're gonna have to kind of pull it and push on it to open it up, and then you're gonna align it and fold it. So you can do that on all of these. So you can just go and do that. When you're done doing it on this side, if you need to, you can flip it over, open it up on the other side, and do the same thing. So that if these are really good, then your wings are gonna have a nice sharp point, and your head. So, see, got this side. So now that all of these sides have been finished, we're moving on to the next step that you need to do. So this one you need to do on all sides, same thing. Okay, so then you're gonna go and I prefer it, but there's gonna be some things that I call walkie legs, because I mean you can move them back and forth. And this side up here, you can't do anything with it. So you're gonna take your rocket legs and you're gonna ice cream fold towards them. So when you do it, when you move them, you should see the fold you just made. If you do it like this, it should be pointing towards you, not away from you. So then you're gonna do that on every single one. And then you should get this. So once you have this is the next step. So then, see how you can open this up. So you are able to open this up, okay? So you're gonna open up one side, and then if you did this, if you did the last step correctly, you should be able to open it up, and then see how there's a walkie leg right here? You're trying to pull it up as high as you possibly can without ripping the page or paper, and then you're gonna go, and then once it's up as high as you can, you're gonna go and close that and get a nice crease. Then you're gonna go and turn it and do the same thing. So then you should get this once you pull the wings down. So these things are wings. You do not want to pull the head down. So then you have this. Where's the head? So here's the head. So does not matter which one, and I'm choosing this point, does not matter which point. So then here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take this point, I'm gonna kind of open it up about where you want the head to stop, or then with that, you're gonna go and kind of pull it down, and you're gonna kind of try to tuck it in. It's really hard to explain this, but then you need to tuck it in, I guess. And then you should go and get this as your head.
Sort of folding it down to give it a beak or something.
Yeah.
Or a neck.
And that's it.
So let's check this out. So we got two cranes here.
By the way, if you're wondering why the body is different, you actually are able to squash down this part.
So you can do different body shapes if you want. But that's kind of nice. I like him. That guy's got a back, and this guy doesn't. Cool. So let's see. There you go. Two cranes.
Woo!
Wood.
So there you go. That's how you make the cranes. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Origami forever.
And if this was the first video you've seen of ours, please do consider subscribing. Be sure to leave a thumbs up if you want to see a couple more origami videos by Reid. Leave a comment down below if you've done some origami yourself. What's your favorite thing to make?
Bye.
Bye.